Hi, welcome back to my Taiwanese cooking show. So today, I'm going to be showing you a really delicious Taiwanese pancake with eggs. Let's just start on cooking. So first thing we're going to do is to mince up some green onions. We're just going to use the top portion of the green onions. We're going to use all-purpose flour, 1 cup. And we're going to season it with some salt. It's about half a teaspoon. Some olive oil. You can use whatever olive oil of your choice. And about a teaspoon of sugar, just to give it a little more flavor. So right now what we're going to do is add in about half a cup of warm water. And you want to keep stirring the flour while you're doing it. And just make sure you don't add too much flour to make it too wet. So just keep kneading for about 10 minutes. So now I'm done kneading the dough. So I'm just gonna put it aside and then just cover it and let it rest for about 10 to 30 minutes. And while that's happening, I'm gonna prepare 3 eggs. And I'm gonna season it, salt, pepper. Let's mix it up. All right, so now the dough has been resting for at least 10 to 30 minutes. We're gonna split it by half. Add some green onions. Fold it in. Roll it out. All right, so now we're gonna fry the pancake on both sides. So just add a little bit of olive oil. And the pancake in. So this is about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. So we're just gonna take it out right now. Add in some green onions into the scrambled eggs, and let's cook it. Now we're not going to let the egg cook all the way. Before it cooks all the way, we're going to add the pancake back in, and all we're going to do is lay it on top. And now I'm going to flip it over, and now we're going to roll it up. So this is what the Taiwanese pancake is going to look like when it's finished, and it's a great alternative to American omelets. So enjoy the recipe. Oh, that looks like it's drizzling. God damn it! Why didn't it drizzle?